Welcome to our free education YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to create user accounts in a computer. I am using a Windows 10 computer. Normally other Windows version also creating user account is procedure same. So first of all you have to log in your computer as an administrator. That means the main account you create when you format and install Windows. The first account you create, that is the admin account. So anyway you have to log in using an admin account to create user accounts. Using the normal user account you cannot create user account in a computer. So after login as administrator, I can go to computer management section. To go to computer management, I will click here and type computer. This computer management is here, so I click on that. Okay, now I got the computer management console. Now there is section called local user and group, so I click that section and there is a folder called user, so I double click. Now all the current users are here at the moment. Okay, so if you want to create a new user, you can right click in a blank area and select new user. Now you can give user a name. If you are creating an account for your child, you can give as an example. I will give a name as child. Okay, if child need to change the password first login, you can click on this button. Otherwise if you want you can restrict the password change also. That means children cannot change his own password also. If you disable this one. To disable the password, I remove this tick and you can say user cannot change password. Now even child cannot change his own password. So, and if you want, you can keep a password here. Okay, same password you have to type again to confirm the password. Okay, now click create. Okay, now you can see this child account, user account has been created here. So I double click that one. I go to member of tab. It says this is user. That means this is a normal user account. Normal user account, using the normal user account, user cannot change any Windows settings. Any important Windows settings, user cannot install, uninstall software, and user cannot create other accounts. There are a lot of restrictions are there in the user accounts mode. So normally we are creating user account for the normally employers and student also. You can create user account, then you can control their accounts, you can control their access. So this is the best user account type you have to select. So if you want give them more rights. As example, in a computer there are lot of workers may there. So that kind of situation you can give some more rights to a particular user. Like this user, if you want as example, you won't give rights to install software. You can give that by adding another member to this user. So we will see how to give more rights to user. Okay, to give more rights to user, you can click on add button and you will get like this box here. You can go to advanced and you can click on find now. After click on find now, you can see all the available users and user groups are in a computer. User groups in computer. So there are a lot of user groups available: access control, assistant, administrator, backup operator, like these. So now normally administrator account we are not giving to others. So if you give an administrator account to another user also, that user can restrict your rights. So normally this administrator rights not given to any other users. So to install the software like this, like kind of thing, we can make this user as a power user. I go to select power user and then OK. Now click again OK button. Now you can see here, apart from the user, now you can see the power user group also here. That means this child user a member of users group and power users group. That means all the rights related to these two user group will automatically come to child user. So after that I will apply. You can apply and OK. Now using the child user account, even this child user can install and uninstall software and can do some other minor things like other users password reset, etc. But he cannot reset administrator password. That's the important thing. That's why I said normally administrator user group we don't add other users. If you do that, the other user who has administrator access can block your account. Okay, I think you got some good idea about user accounts in a computer. So if you like our video, you can click our like button. If you like more videos like this in future, you can click on our subscribe button. Then you will get a notification once we after the subscribe button, click on the notification button also. Then you will get a notification once we upload the new video. Okay, thank you very much.